friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for Dow Jones and NASDAQ 100. As shared in my morning prediction, Dow Jones failed to go past the critical zone at 34,500, 600 and US 100 below 14,300 levels. 14,300 appears to be a strong resistance for now. Beyond that, definitely it will fly. Now, what is going to happen today? What levels to take entry, where to exit, what should be the take profit, we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. So do watch till the end. Let's start the day with Tech 100 first. But before we proceed, request you all to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest analysis. Remember, tomorrow is the my weekly analysis are going to get live. Almost all the targets are achieved last week's prediction, as per last week's prediction. So stay tuned, press the bell icon. Now let's start the day with US 100. Now this is US 100's 4-hour chart. If you recall my day before's analysis, I told that it is trying to form the symmetry. It has exactly formed. It has completed this cycle. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Now again, see, it has got its base, lower lows here. Also look at the nearest charts here. You can see the highs are lower highs, indicating that there is bearishness. Now see the size of the candle, previous candle, almost 60 points, and here also it is trying to give you, almost trying to achieve 60 points by achieving 14,200 levels. Now from there we will see how it behaves. Any long entry is recommended only if it goes past 14,300. Once it goes past 14,300, don't forget to go long. So only long entry is beyond 14,300 levels only. Now if it drops below this zone at 14,140, now this is the zone which I will be looking forward to. It may try to achieve a bottom here and can reverse from 14,140 to 14,300. But if it breaks 14,140, definitely it will try to achieve this zone at first 14,050, and it can try to drop further towards 14,000 and below levels. How far it could go drop? Now let's have a look at this chart. You can see 14,000 levels have definitely provided a stronger support. So couple of candles or more candles, it has tried to go past this zone. Probably today again it may try to see, if you see this lower highs on the 4-hour chart, clearly indicating there is a bearish trend which is trying to keep the lower highs and lower lows. Now this is the rise, drop, rise, drop, rise. So now it may try to connect. If we connect this drop, probably it is going to hit 13,900 levels. If not today, then by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, means next week, probably it might try to hit 13,900 levels probably. Once again, let me try to connect the dots. So here you can see, if you connect the lows, clearly it is trying to aim towards 13,900 levels, and if you look at this, probably it might try to trade in this zone. So a long entry beyond 14,300 until the time you can remain short. Probably the next support at 14,050 and then 13,900 should come into picture. Now let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, the story is same, looking downwards, and this time the candle is going to be, see this 3 candles previously, little movement. This time it is going to give you big movement, and probably it is trying to achieve the low at 14,100. It will try to definitely hit 14,100 probably, and below that, if it breaks below 14,100, definitely it may correct sharply towards 14,050 and 14,000 levels. Yes, a reversal can be confirmed if it goes beyond 14,300. Remember, a reversal can be confirmed if it goes beyond 14,300. So take a long entry only once it goes beyond 14,300. Till that time, every rise is a good opportunity to go short. Similarly, on the 2-hour chart, the reflection is same. It is probably trying to look forward to 14,100 and 14,050, 14,150 and then 14,100 levels. In fact, this time it may try to break below towards 14,050 levels also. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, see, on the hourly charts, it is trying to complete this and perfect symmetry. Now it is looking forward to 14,150, and from there we will see how it behaves. Breaking below 14,150 zone, definitely it will try to hit 14,100, and then this journey will continue. Can you see here how this slide has happened? Similarly, after this consolidation, now it is trying to take a slide which might take it towards 14,000 and 13,900 levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, interestingly, now if it drops below this zone at 14,150, definitely it is going to drop sharply. Why I am saying so? Almost 200 points of wick is formed, almost 100 points of wick is formed, and if you calculate from here around 14,180 levels, it has to form a equal type of body with a equal movement, almost 120 points, taking it towards 14,050. And in fact, if it drops below 14,050, see the previous candle, 14,600 to 14,200 levels, almost 14,200 levels. Now from here, if it tries to drop and drops below 13,100 level, probably it will try to hit this 14,100. Probably it will try to hit 13,900 zone, which is going to be important support level for US 100. So only long entry beyond 14,300 and a short entry below 14,100. Couple of entry points we have got. I am going to give you the trading levels. Just wait for a little. Let's have a look at the indicators on the daily charts. You can find that here is a 20 and moving and simple average, exponential moving average and simple moving average lying here at around 14,600. Once it goes past this pivot at 14,300, definitely it will try to hit this zone at 14,400 and then 14,500 zone. Till the time it remains below this, and if it breaks 14,100, definitely it may try to drop heavily. So look at the trended price oscillator in red, stochastic. See, I have drawn this several times. I am drawing it again for you, and this I have drawn several times. Now again I am trying to draw for you. It may try to hit this zone with a sharp drop. It may try to correct towards 13,800, 13,700 below levels can also be possible, and may try to correct for a couple of days and take or hit a bottom here. There is a crossover probable on MACD, which we can see. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, here you can see that there is a pivot available at around 14,310. That is why I say only long entries beyond 14,310. Once it goes beyond 14,310, keep a 10 points of cushion. Then you can definitely expect 14,400 and then 14,450 zone, 14,480 zone. This is going to be important zone if it continues to rise beyond 14,310. Also on the downside, now it may try to hit this zone and achieve this pivot at first the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at 14,150. If it breaks 14,150, it may try to hit 14,050, 14,020 and 14,000 levels also are possible. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. Trended price oscillator is trading in red. Stochastic has come into normal levels, but again trying to cross over and enter into oversold positions. MACD lines are on sell side, RSI not indicating anything and are trading at bottom. Considering this, let me jump to the levels here. So only long entry for the day is above 14,310. Till the time it is below 14,310, you can always try to take a short entry anywhere. If you see it rising till towards 14,280 to 70, take a short entry there. It will try to drop again. Now on the downside, once it breaks 14,140, you can take a short entry here, and once below 14,180, it will try to hit 14,100, 14,050, 14,020, 14,000. Now see, till here it has got several supports till here. Now below that it will directly try to land towards 13,900. This is going to be important level, and then 13,840. So yes, it can slide heavily till the time it remains below 14. If it drops below 14,000 levels, it will try to drop heavily on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. My target will be at around 13,900, 13,840 zone. It can try to achieve today, probably if it breaks below 14,000. Remember, if it breaks below 14,000. On the flip side, if it rises beyond 14,310, you have to take a long entry for 14,400 directly. Once it breaks 14,310, it will try to rise sharply towards 14,400, 14,450 and then 14,480. After, if it breaks 14,480, sorry, let me write it. If it breaks 14,480, definitely it will fly further towards 14,560 or so levels. Plus sky is the limit anyways. Beyond this, only go long beyond 14,310. Remember, only go long beyond 14,310. Till the time it is below 14,310, it is always a sell on rise levels. if you see it rising again till towards 14280, take a short entry there. Again it will come back to 14180, 150 levels. Below 14150 definitely it will try to break sharply. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. Now let's have a look at US30 here. US30 on the 4-hour charts, you can see here. Now see, this was the minor retracement. It has got its support now, breaking this support. Also look at this lower highs. The body size is increasing. This time it may try to give you sharper red candle, and it is going to be consecutive red candles. Look at this time. Yesterday, as I told, it has formed a symmetry leaning downwards. It was leaning downwards. That is what I said. It is tilting downwards, indicating bearishness. It has completed this level at 34,400. Now breaking below 34,400 levels, and that is what we are more concerned about. It has breached the support probably. Now it will try to get the support. Also look at this. Yesterday's low at 34,240, 250 levels is taken. Now it will try to definitely slide towards 34,100 and 34,000 levels. In fact, it can drop below those levels also. Now coming back to on the broader chart, it appears that, see, after this consolidation it is going to give you sharper red candle, which might take it towards 33,900. In fact, can go well below this levels. Remember, now if it drops below 34, till the time it remains below 34,400, we have to remain short for the day. We can expect it to drop below 34,000 levels today itself. Now let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. The story same on the 3-hour charts. It is breaking below the previous lows, indicating there is bearishness. This is second consecutive bigger red candle, and probably this might try to take it towards 34,100, and from there a probable retracement and then a probable drop can be expected. So yes, 34,100, the support will come into picture. From there it may try to rise again. This is one of the probabilities here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, the story is same, and it may try to achieve 34,100, and from there we will see if it tries to retrace, because there is a probability that it can try to again retrace till towards 34,300 before trying to take a drop again. So a probable support at 34,100 levels should come into picture. From there it may retrace till towards 34,300, and then again followed with a drop towards the closing of the day, taking it below 34,000 levels. Now see, this is my expertise of the charts. I don't know whether it goes right. Most of the times it goes right, but let's see what happens today. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can clearly see 34,400 50 levels, providing it a resistance, lower highs, and now it has completed also lower lows levels, breaching this support. Now it may try to give you couple of red candles consistently, may try to directly take it towards 33,900, and below levels also can be expected. Now let's come back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, now see how beautifully the wick is formed here on the daily charts, and the wick is almost of, you can see, 300 points. So almost 300 points of wick. Now the body has to be more than 300 points, and that is why I say from 34,300 to 34,000 and 33,900 and below levels can be expected. Now let's compare with the previous candle. Previous candle almost 34,800 levels to 34,200 levels. That is what we have seen the previous day. 34,800 to 34,250 or 300, you can say 500 points. Now from here, if you count from 34,300 levels, it may try to hit 33,800 levels. Now a probable target of 33,800, and then it can retrace back again till towards 33,900 or 34,000 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Till the time today it remains below 34,400, one can remain short. Remember, till the time it is below 34,400, one can remain short. Let's come back to the indicators here. On the indicators, yes, 34,500 is a strong pivot. If it breaks, then it may try to rise strongly. So go long above 34,400 for a target of 34,500. 34,700 can be also expected on the flip side, on the opposite side. And there is a potential strong resistance at 35,000, close to 35,000 levels with a 20 period moving average. Right now it is trading below this, indicating bearishness. The detrended price oscillator is red. The stochastic, as I drew for NASDAQ100 and as I drew for US30 also, on couple of occasions before it is trying to hit this oversold positions, may try to go towards 33,500 before trying to take a rise. So yes, if it breaks below this zone at 34,100, definitely it will try to hit 33,900 and 33,800 zones for today itself. Now look at this, look at the MACD. It is short and divergent and red side. It is on the sell side. Now on the 4-hour charts, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you will find this 34,500 34,550 is a strong pivot, and till the time it trades below this. Also look at this now, 34,400 is also a strong resistance level. Only if it goes beyond 34,400 I will recommend you to go long. Till the time it may try to achieve 34,100. Breaking below 34,100, definitely it will try to hit 33,900 and 33,800 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now look at this. Look at the detrended price oscillator looking downwards, and stochastic on the 4-hour charts also trying to enter into oversold positions, and MACD lines are crossed over and are into sell zone. So to sum up, let me give you the trading targets for the day. And so these are the trading targets for the day. 34,400. Now till the time it remains below 34,400 today, every rise is an opportunity to short. It will try to hit 34,100 levels. Below that 34,000 should be achieved, then 33,920 and then 33,810. Remember, it can drop till these levels at 33,810. This is my expectation. If it remains successfully below these levels at 34,400, definitely this zone at 33,800 to 33,920 should be achieved today itself if it remains below 34,400 levels. So mark my words, take your positions accordingly. Till 34,400 every opportunity is a good opportunity to sell. So probably, but don't sell now. Right now it is at 34,230. If you see it rising, let it retrace back towards 34,300 350 zone, and then see there how it behaves. Now if it crosses 34,420, you can take a long entry here. If it crosses 34,420, you can take a long entry for 34,500. The first and strong resistance for the day. Then 34,500, or rather today 34,600, the second resistance for the day. Beyond that it will try to hit 34,750 and then 34,900. Remember, right now the markets are trading the risk, the fears are prevailing of for Russia-Ukraine war, and a slightly positive news can take everything on the reverse side. A slightly positive news will make the markets rise strongly because they are near to the oversold positions. Hence, we have to put our stop losses near to 34,400 420 zone. Beyond that, let's see, if you have entered a short position at 34,300, it is almost 120 points. And if you are losing 120 points here, you can take a long entry here and gain 120 points again till 34,500 34,600 zone. Remember, these are markets can reverse anytime. A slight positive news can take it to a flyer and can achieve 35,000 in a fraction of minutes, and a slightly bearish news will try to take it towards 33,810 33,900. Looking at the charts, till the time it remains below 34,400, definitely it may try to hit 34,100, the first target, and then 33,900 33,800, the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. Now this is all from my side for the day. If you like and appreciate my effort, don't forget to press the like, share, subscribe and comment button. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and also you can join my Telegram channel. Also, if you have any queries with respect to training and mentorship course, you can reach out to me via Telegram and email ID. Remember, first try to invest on your learning. Once you invest on yourself, then you can invest in markets in a better, proficient and efficient manner. The strategies taught definitely help you become an independent and professional trader. Take your positions and trade accordingly. Now this is all from my side. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.